sweetie.
Hi.
Hello, what is your name?
Victoria.
How old are you?
I'm 15.
Where do you work?
I work at Pleasant Mansion and I'll keep it happy.
Very nice.
So where are you from?
I'm from Kentucky.
That's cool, dog. I'm from there. So, why don't you just start whenever you're ready, dog?
I'm gonna sing Every Time We Touch by that one chick with blonde hair.
Alright, dude, just do it.
Okay. Every time we touch, I get this feeling, and every time we kiss, I swear it's fun.
Stop! What is all that? That's a bloody horse. Are you an alcoholic?
No.
You don't do that all the time, dog. Welcome to Hollywood, dude. Welcome to Hollywood.
Really?
Yeah, you do the best one here.
I'll take it. Oh my God! Look how your next finger. I love it. I'm getting a Randy just dumped me. Oh my God! Why did you do that? We were so good together. I hate American Idol. Look at this. I hate it. What about your number, Carrie? You saw your number on it. You're filming me. No, it's like a film you were filming.
I'm the production leader, and this is Randy after the breakup.
You know what? We don't have a good connection, but you know what?
I'm really a girl. I can't hide it any longer. I'm really a girl. What? You're a girl? Randy, Randy has the flu.
I'm not going outside if you mind.
Are you gonna act like, yeah? Aaron, you can't call me up me. Okay, stop, cut. Okay, Aaron, do that again. We're gonna take a picture. Can you do that? Stop recording it. Yeah. On my shirt. I don't want my shirt. Stop! I want it on my shirt! Stop! You get anything on the shirt, I'll kill you. Okay. Can I go now? No. Stop recording it!
You start recording it.
Wait.
Go. Hello, what's your name? Wait, we can't see your ears.
Yeah! Very nice! Damn it! I'm gonna take her to margarita. How about Shelly? No, I'm Holly.
We go stand in position. It's recording. Oh, it's recording. American Idol. Hello.
Okay. Every time I touch, hold on. Every time
Go ahead.
Hello. Hi. What is your name? Lucy.
Where are you from?
Connecticut.
That's cool. That's where I'm from. What do you do?
I work at a thrift store. I work for Girl Scout Bio. You should talk over. No, I'm
It's cool.
Oh, I should work in this. I hate this.
Go play the snow.
It's really cold. Come here.
It's arms are my castle, your heart is my sky. They wipe
don't start yet.
away tears that I cry.
Call it a number.
Really?